Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to identify solutions to inequalities. So when given an inequality statement and given a couple different options of what some correct solutions of that inequality statement are, all you have to simply do is plug the value in, just like you're evaluating for a variable. And when you simplify it all the way down, if you get a true inequality statement, then it's going to work as a true solution. So let's go ahead and go over the first one. 8 minus 9g is greater than 98. So when you plug in g equals 6 for the first one, we get 8 minus 9 times 6. It's supposed to be a 9, not a 7. It's greater than 98. 9 times 6 is 54. And 8 minus 54 is negative 46, greater than 98. A negative can never be greater than a positive, so this is not a true solution. Let's go ahead and plug in 8. 8 minus 9 times 8 is greater than 98. So we have 8 minus 72. And that's going to give us a negative 64. And same thing, you cannot have a negative that is bigger than a positive. Let's plug in 5. 8 minus 9 times 5. Got 45. 8 minus 45 is a negative 37. And same thing. Plug in the 12. So negative 9 times 12 is 108. 8 minus 108 is negative 100. It's greater than 98. So none of these numbers are your true solution. Now, had there been one, there could be more than one that are true to both of these. You would obviously select all of the correct options. So on to the next one. 1 minus 20 divided by w is greater than negative 6. So let's plug in 1 minus 20 over negative 10 greater than negative 6. 20 divided by negative 10 is a negative 2. So 1 minus negative 2 is greater than negative 6. 6. This becomes a plus. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And that is greater than negative 6. So that counts as a true solution. Let's plug in negative 1. When you divide that, you get a positive 20. And 21 is also greater than negative 6, so this one is a true solution. 1 minus 20 over 5 is greater than negative 6. So we have 1 minus 4 is greater than negative 6. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And negative 3 is greater than negative 6. If you think of it in terms of a number line, this number is closer to 0, which is further to the right on the number line, so this is a true solution. And then let's do negative 4. Divide those. 1 plus 5 greater than negative 6, and 6 is greater than negative 6. So you could have more than one possible answer. That's going to satisfy this inequality statement.